Volume 2, Lesson 11, Number 4. Dear Mrs. Lexington, we realize that companies usually do not get letters from credit departments unless their accounts are overdue, period. Such is not the case at this time, period. We are taking this opportunity to say thank you for the fine way in which you handle your business, paragraph. Over the years, it has been a pleasure for my company to do business with the General Manufacturing Company, period. Your organization has taken care of all its obligations in a very responsible manner, period. Only once were you ever as much as a week late with a payment, and you acknowledge our first request for payment with a letter that satisfactorily explained the delay, paragraph. It is customers like you, Mrs. Lexington, that make being a credit manager a pleasure, period. If all companies took care of their credit obligations the way your company does, my job would be an easy one indeed, period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 5, gentlemen, in a few months, my organization, the Superior Publishing Company, will be opening a sales office in Troy, period. We want to open a credit account with your furniture company, paragraph. The Superior Publishing Company, which has been doing business successfully for many years, has established a fine credit reputation with many businesses, period. The names of some of these companies are listed on the enclosed sheet, period. If you should need credit references, comma, please feel free to correspond directly with any of them, paragraph. Our company is a large, comma, progressive organization with offices in many major cities throughout the nation, period. Our new Troy office will be just one of several that we will open during the coming year, paragraph. We have rented a large office in Troy, comma, and we are planning to redecorate it completely, period. We will need to buy a number of executive desks and chairs, period. In addition, comma, we will need a large conference table, comma, several filing cabinets, comma, and various other furnishings, paragraph. If your company would like to help us in furnishing our new offices, comma, we hope you will let us hear from you immediately, period. Sincerely yours, comma. Reading practice number 6. Dear Dr. Greenberg, colon, the Houston Credit Association will hold its annual conference next March, comma, and we would like you to share the program committee, period. Would you be willing to accept this responsibility, comma, Dr. Greenberg, question mark, paragraph. The conference will be held at the Baker Hotel, comma, which is located in Uptown Houston, period. We expect more than 500 people to attend, paragraph. We have discussed the program with several members of the executive committee, period. They stated that they would like to hear an acknowledged expert in the field discuss government regulation of credit, period. However, comma, a program on any pertinent subject of general interest would be appropriate paragraph. If you will be able to handle this difficult assignment, comma, we will be very grateful, period. Please let us know as soon as possible, period. Sincerely yours, comma.